Discovering a and an, your guide to indefinite articles. Hello everyone. Welcome to another fascinating episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are going to delve deep into the world of indefinite articles, specifically a and an. Not only will we understand their basic use, but we'll also explore how they can express the concepts of one or any in English. Let's get started. To kick things off, it's important to understand what indefinite articles are. In English, we have two indefinite articles, a and an. We use them when we're referring to any member of a group or category, rather than a specific member. For example, you might say, I saw a bird, rather than, I saw the bird. When do we use a, and when do we use an? It's all about the sound that follows. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound, like cat or dog. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound, like apple or elephant. Now, let's explore the idea of using a and an to express one. When we use these articles, we're often referring to just one item or one member of a group. For example, if you say, I have an apple, you're indicating that you have one apple, not two or three. This is a simple but essential concept in English. By using a or an, we can give our listener the important information that we're talking about a single item or person. Apart from expressing one, a, and an, can also mean any. In this case, you're not referring to a specific item, but rather any item from a group. For example, if you say, I need a pen, it means you need any pen, not a specific pen. This concept is essential when we talk about things in general. Whether you need a pen, a ride, or an answer, using a or an helps convey that any one of those items would be suitable or satisfactory. And that wraps up our exploration of the indefinite articles a and an. We've not only learned about their basic use but also understood how they can express the idea of one or any. I hope this has clarified their usage for you and made your journey in learning English even more exciting. Keep practicing, and soon enough, using a and an will be second nature. Thanks for joining me in today's episode, and I look forward to seeing you in our next one. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.